Good morning, Mr. Copeland.
Good morning.
My name is Carlton Matthews, and I represent Mr. Marquavius Huey over there. We're about to look at a certain exhibit, a certain picture that the state showed you a few days ago when you were on the witness stand. It was a picture of you and Mr. Huey and someone that you referenced as Nard at a restaurant. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay. That particular photograph, can you pull it up? Okay. It was taken at Mr. Pig's Smokehouse at 1992 Donald Lee Hollowell Parkway in Atlanta, Georgia, right?
On Bankhead.
On Bankhead. And that is probably about 20 plus minutes from Cleveland Avenue, right?
Probably far, yeah.
It's about that same distance, or give or take a little bit more, a little bit less, from Mechanicsville, right?
Right.
And it's a barbecue spot, right?
Yeah, they sell barbecue food.
When you all went to that barbecue spot, it was in broad daylight, right?
Yes.
Went there for some food, right?
Yes.
I'm going to show you this photograph, and I want to talk about it. The state is going to pull it up. Now, you've not known Mr. Huey that very long, correct?
Probably a couple months.
Okay. And you were at this particular restaurant with Mr. Huey and Nard on this particular day. And in this photograph, I want to talk with you about it. In the photograph, someone wrote, you can tell us whether it was you, I am this. Do you see this photograph here?
Yes, I see it.
Okay. All right. Let's talk about it. Is that you in the middle?
Yes.
And this is at Mr. Pig's Smokehouse on Donald Lee Hollowell?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you have your hands together. Is that correct?
Yes.
It looks like it's a symbol of you praying. Is that correct?
It is.
Okay. On your clothing, is there anything that suggests YSL on it?
No.
Do you see the person to your right in that photograph? Is that Mr. Huey in that photograph?
With the white t-shirt?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let's look at Mr. Huey. Take a look at his t-shirt. Do you see anything written on his shirt? Anything YSL on it?
It's a white t-shirt.
Okay. Let's look around his neck. Do you see any fancy jewelry around his neck?
No.
Do you see any bracelets on the arms that you do see?
No.
Any rings or anything of that nature?
No.
On this particular day, do you see, or did you have in your waistband a handgun?
No.
To your knowledge, did you see, or Mr. Huey have a handgun on him?
No.
How about this person, Nard? Did you see him with any type of handguns on that day?
No.
Were you all meeting there to do a crime or anything of that nature?
No, we were chilling the whole day.
Okay. Now, any AKs, any rifles or anything in the background in this photograph?
Huh?
Any weapons?
No.
On this particular building, do you see any signs or symbols, any graffiti with YSL or anything of that nature?
No.
Now, you said y'all were just chilling that day. Were you? Nothing about this photograph is suggesting that you're that you all are asking anyone to participate in any type of YSL gang or anything of that nature? Is there?
YSL ain't the game.
Okay. And I see on this particular photograph, it says, "I am the streets," out now on all platforms. Tell this jury, what is "I am the streets"?
The title of my music.
Okay. So, and is this 725 Woody, that was your Instagram moniker at that time?
But it was ran by my management team.
Got you. And was this particular picture, was it kind of celebrating the release of your music?
I think I was I don't know when this picture was posted, but I remember taking it, but there ain't no caption that I put on there.
Okay. And tell the jury, when you had your hands together like that, what were you representing, or what was the message you were sending with your hands together like that?
Peace.
Now, on this document that we're looking at, on this photograph, at the bottom it says "Free the Guys." Can you tell the jury if you know what was that about, or what that represented?
That we was incarcerated, or that at least one of us was incarcerated.
Okay. And was there anything in your mind criminal or wrong about saying "Free the Guys"?
Well, I don't know who posted it. So on my page, if there was posted on my page.
Okay. It's not something you posted.
I didn't have a phone in jail, so no.
Okay. And to the best of your knowledge, on this particular day that you all met, sounds like I'm hearing you to say is that y'all weren't doing anything but chilling.
Right.
Nothing more, nothing less.
That's all we do.
Not meeting up to commit any crimes.
Never. I was doing the music, focus on the music. That was it.
The clothing that you're wearing there, I notice here these particular jeans, and there's red on the jeans there. Is that the way those jeans are made?
Yes.
Does it represent anything to do with any type of gang or anything of that nature?
No, that's how I bought them. It's a broken heart.
A broken heart.
On my pants lid, yeah.
Gotcha.
I actually still got the pants.
Okay. And is it fair to say that you guys are relatively neatly dressed urban gear?
I thought I was.
Kind of fresh, right?
That's what I thought.
Okay. Have you had any conversations with Mr. Huey since this particular day that you're aware of?
I don't know what you mean.
Have you talked to him?
What you mean?
Have you had any conversations with him? In other words, do you...
After this?
Yeah.
I don't... You saying...
Had you talked to him?
After we took the picture?
After that particular day, had you talked to him about anything that you can think of that had anything to do with other than chilling?
What's wrong with us taking a picture?
I don't believe there's anything wrong. Do you even know why this picture was even put up in evidence?
I don't have a clue.
Okay. Thank you. No further questions.